Evie, what are we doing right now?
We're gonna go shop for kids at the hospital.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go into the store right now. I got the kids with me, the wife is in the store. So we're gonna do the initial shopping for the toy drive that we did. Got some cash with me. We raised almost $1,700, so we're gonna get a lot of toys. We're also gonna get like some shampoo and other stuff that the homeless shelter needed, so let's do that. Gotta lay low so they don't get kicked out, but we got 3 carts and we're starting to shop. Alrighty guys, so first of all, our first trip was pretty successful. We spent about $1,200 or $1,300 so far. We have another store that we want to go to, and then we're going to spend the rest of it. But we spent about $1,300. We have $1,700 total to spend. So I'm just going to pull up now and load it, and then we'll go to the next trip.
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Alright guys, so we got our first little stash done. We got 3 big bags. We came here, it's a place called The Learning Shop. They're 25% off because they're going out of business. So I'm gonna go back in. I just wanted to finish this transaction and kind of see where we were at with the budget. And now I'm gonna go back in and we'll make one more little haul and then we should be good. And the kid cam is actually going pretty good, I think. Feel with the GoPro.
Oh,
Rolling.
Let's go cabin. I up that. I up that. You do. Come here. I up that. I up that. You do. Come here. You like this? Oh, an ant. What is the ant? Mom. They're cute. Let's go. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that might be a little too big.
It will not be too
Why don't you
big.
go ask Daddy about that one? Okay? Go ask Daddy.
Dad, I have it. No, Ann. Dad, I found you. Give me object. Give me object.
Alright guys, so what we're doing right now, we're going to set everything up in the living room. We're going to deliver all the toys tomorrow. That is the plan. So we're just going to take them all out of the bags, show everything, and talk about what we got. I just kind of wanted to go over what our thought process was when we were shopping. So we tried to look for things that were between $5 and $15, assuming that average price would be about $10 per child. So we have 333 different things here. So I'm sure, some kids will get multiples possibly, but we got quite a bit of stuff. Each kid one thing, 300 kids would be getting something. And we were initially doing this as like just a complete toy drive, but we called a local homeless shelter, and that's where we're going to be donating to. So that's where a lot of the other stuff came from. The socks, the underwear, the hygiene items. They were really requesting a lot of that stuff. So that's kind of why we changed it a little bit. I'm sure none of you will be upset about that. So that's good stuff. So we get some stuff to play with and some everyday items that those kids probably don't have right now. So yeah, that's about it. Okay guys, we're here. We're at the Children's Hospital in Neenah, Wisconsin. So there's a couple different buildings here. The big building on the other side of the truck, the big 4-story building over there, that's where we got to drop some of the stuff off. So we're going to go drive over there, go upstairs and drop it off. We got it organized. The blue bags are going to the hospital, and all the other bags are going to go to House of Hope in Green Bay. So let's go do it.
She wants to see.
You want to load them on the cart, or do you want
We probably just carry them in.
Okay. Can I grab some stuff?
Sure can.
Okay. Hi, guys. How are you? Good. Would you like to fill out a donation slip?
You can talk to my husband. Only a little bit left.
No. Let's see you. This way. No.
They
Okay, we're going. Over here.
Right away. Maybe it's called. What floor? That one.
Four.
I know. I think I know why. Go away. Let me go out now. I think I know why the door opened right away. That's like it. That's me. Here, look. That's the same that keeps the eye locked.
doesn't look like you.
Me.
We have some things to drop off.
You have some things for us. Well, thank you. Would you like to fill out some paperwork for me also?
Sure.
You can just set this stuff down. Do you want to set it here to have a picture?
Hello.
Sure.
Okay. You can do it in front of the kids there then? Here. So how old are you guys?
I'm 7.
You're 7.
You're 2.
You too? Such a cutie. Oh, I bet the kids are really going to like that. Did you go shopping by yourself with this?
I got a lot of Barbies.
Barbies? Oh, I like Barbies. Oh, wow.
Stop me like that.
You guys did a great job on shopping.
Alrighty guys, so first of all, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone that watches the videos and contributed to the toy drive. So overall, we ended up donating over $1,800 in toys, including our personal contribution and what we got from like personal PayPal donations, if that makes sense. So we had the GoFundMe, which raised $1,530. And then I had like 5 or 6 people that donated directly through PayPal, and then we had our personal donations on top of that. So it's over $1,800 in toys that we donated, and we feel really good about that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I would like to, if possible, make this like a regular thing, an annual thing, right before Christmas. Maybe do some different places. We donated to House of Hope in Green Bay, and the House of Hope is a homeless shelter for young mothers, basically ages 18 to 24 years old, and they're pregnant or have children. So that story kind of touched me a little bit, so I really wanted to contribute there, so we ended up donating the majority of the stuff there, because we just felt like that's where we wanted to donate more of the stuff. So that's where a lot of the hygiene items and soap and all that stuff came in. So thank you again, everybody. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll get back to our regularly scheduled programming soon, working on these cars and vehicles again. But yeah, couldn't have done it without you guys, so thank you. Have a good night.